Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today we're diving into Mixin Messenger, found at https://messenger.mixin.1. This platform isn't just your average messaging app, it's a powerful tool that combines secure communication with a built-in cryptocurrency wallet. Think of it as a blend of Signal, Telegram, and a decentralized exchange all rolled into one convenient package. Navigating to the provided link will land you on the Mixin Messenger homepage where you can explore its features and download the application for your device. Whether you're on Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, or even Linux, Mixin has you covered. This cross-platform compatibility ensures seamless communication across a wide range of devices, letting you stay connected wherever you go. Mixin Messenger prioritizes privacy and security, utilizing end-to-end encryption to safeguard your conversations from prying eyes. This means that only you and the intended recipient can read your messages, ensuring confidentiality. But Mixin goes beyond simple messaging. Its integrated cryptocurrency wallet allows you to manage your digital assets directly within the app. You can send and receive cryptocurrencies with ease, making transactions as simple as sending a text message. This integration opens up a world of possibilities, from sending money to friends and family to participating in decentralized finance, DeFi applications. The combination of a secure messenger and a crypto wallet provides a unique and powerful platform for financial interaction. This streamlined approach makes managing your digital finances incredibly convenient. Imagine being able to send Bitcoin to a friend as easily as sending a meme. That's the kind of user-friendly experience Mixin Messenger aims to provide. So, head over to https://messenger.mixin.1 to explore the platform and see what it has to offer. You might be surprised at just how much you can do with this versatile application. It's more than just a messenger, it's a gateway to the future of finance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore this cutting-edge technology.